أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا ليغفر لك الله ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر ويتم نعمته عليك ويهديك صراطا مستقيما وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا. هو الذي أنزل السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما.
देहरादून के इज़्ज़त रईसुल जमहूरिया डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मोइज़ू, रईसुल जमहूरिया के नायब अल-उस्ताद हुसैन मोहम्मद लतीफ़, मिनिस्टर ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन हाउसिंग एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डॉक्टर अब्दुल्ला मुत्तलिब, दौलत के वज़ीरों, रईसुल जमहूरिया के ओफ़ीहु के मिनिस्टरों, चाइना एम्बेसी के इस पेफड़ों में रस्मियात वडान तिपेवी इम्हा इज़्ज़तरिं अदे दुरागातों में रस्मियात बल्ला मुकेंदवा इम्हा बेफड़ों अस्सलाम अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज तिपेवी इम्हा बेफड़ना मी हफ़लाया मरहबा दन्नवा كيت قروان के बरकातों में हफ़ला फटवाते फ़ी अल्फ़ालिल याइश मोहम्मद नियाज़ में हफ़ला तिबफ़ना में खुशालाते नहीं हंड अमन शाज़िया में अदके में ख़ास रस्मियात की काफ़ गुड़ी फ़ड़ु के मागुता ज़मानी फ़ेमवर तरेगी कुरमा म्युनिसिपल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नोता आम असासी खिदमत गुड़ी फ़ड़ु का कायम कुरम के मशरूक़ एपसुम का सोई कुरमा बावा ख़ास रस्मियात में रस्मियात का कुरिया देंगती एपसुम का सोई कुरम. Now, I would like to invite Minister of Construction, Housing and Infrastructure, Dr. Abdullah Muttalib, and the Regional General Manager of China Machinery Engineering Corporation, Mr. Chen Haojuan, to officiate the signing of the agreement. Minister Dr. Abdullah Muttalib, Mr. Chen Haojuan. Shukriya, Minister. Thank you, Mr. Chen Haojuan. Aharung ahara malayang hijrakura mihung iturefaido gulifadu taregi kurumge mashruge emme muhim maqsad ka vesege midani malaya dimaifawa pohiya vehikam ge datikam ge massalayang hallen hoda dino medu me qaim kuri ebbasum ge dashun gulifadu ka zamani femwaruge maguta taregi kurumge itura aamo khidmat takamawa karantu fen narutama nizam ge khidmat qaim kurigen ane. Now, I would like to invite the Deputy General Manager of China Machinery Engineering Corporation, Mr. Xie Ha, to give his remarks.
His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz, President of the Republic of Maldives. His Excellency Vice President Hussein Mohammad Latif, Honorable Dr. Abdullah Musali, Minister of Construction, Housing and Infrastructures, honorable ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. This day marks a key milestone in the economic development of this beautiful island as we witness the signing of the development of road and municipal infrastructure at Gudifalo project. And on behalf of CMEC Group, I'm honored to be present here to witness this remarkable event and the valuable opportunity our company has received. With over 46 years of proven engineering in the engineering industry, CMEC Group confidently delivers one-stop project solutions and proudly operates in more than 150 countries worldwide. CMEC Group is an old friend to this beautiful island nation. We have been operating in the Maldives as a reputed international contractor for more than 14 years and have completed important infrastructure projects over the past decade, which included housing development, power and energy, road development, and others. In addition to implementing contract projects, CMEC Group joined forces with various government authorities and institutions has supported community development and well-being. Just a few days ago, we celebrated the new year 2025, and today is indeed a milestone event to mark the beginning of the project that is being developed under the esteemed leadership of Your Excellency, aspiring to contribute to the long-term growth of this country. The Gudifalo project will cover key infrastructure tasks led by CMEC Group under the guidance of the Ministry of Construction, Housing and Infrastructure, aiming to enhance living standard and build strong communities. At the same time, CNEEC, another subsidiary of CMEC Group, also signed the EPC contract for the South-North Zone project of the Hokkaido tourism complex in Ado City. Owned by the Maldives National Fund Management Company, this project represents an important milestone in advancing the Maldives tourism infrastructure and promoting economic growth. Before I conclude, I wish to extend our heartfelt, sincere thanks to Your Excellency, Dr. Mohammed Muizz, Honorable Minister and also Excellency the Vice President, and all representatives of the representative government authorities for the trust placed in us. As evidenced in the past, CMEC Group will provide our utmost commitment towards timely implementation and the professional performance of this project. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Sheikha. Korea Demi Rasmiyatu Koti, Minister of Construction, Housing and Infrastructure, Dr. Abdullah Muttalib ke waqf dekewu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hamd kurni ni'matu wa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Salawata salam lam wa dua kurni ni'mat kaukar bi ma sahiba Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Salawata salam ga ekalen farunge alunna ashabun shamil kuran. Divhe rajye ga izzat rais jumhuriya Dr. Muhammad Muizz, rais jumhuriya Gnab Dr. Hussein Muhammad Latif, dawlat ke wazirun, China ge embassy ge spefulun China Machinery Engineering Corporation ge vice president adi isferin wadaayite me abefulun assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh ade miyeduge mi rasmiyataki kaaf bulfaluga hikka abad kura bimuga municipal khidmata magutan hedumuge masekkatuge ebbasumuga soykunuge rasmiyat mi ebbasumaki divhe rajyege raisul jumhuriya China yakkurabe furamana datur fuluga China Machinery Engineering Corporation na ministry yakko kurawunu MOU ge dashun kurawunu masekkatuge natija egotum ministry ya CMAC ademedu technical level ga war bawer masekketta wani kuraifa project scoping tayyar kurma technical specification tayyar kurma concept level ge design masekketta ke wani kuraifa mihuriya masekketta fa contractor finance hamajassa gota CMEC hoshedi proposal iveduet ko eya medu kurawunu mashrataka fahu mi contractor ka hame miwani adevifa mi project ge tereng kurewen maagol masekkette ki electricity distribution network gayam kurma fena naradamage nizam mudi gulufalga gayam kurma dewatering system gayam kurma maguta zamani fembaran heduma jipon ducting system gayam kurma adi gas storage distribution system gayam kuru midennevi 300 warakan hectare bimuga midennevi huriha masekketake kurumuge bodu mashruga med soykorum migindi ade meduga mi ebbasumga soykorum mayek survey adi detail design ga masekke contractor fashane adi contractor site tayyar kuru masekke bes irad kurbiya malastake feshigen dane guli faluga khidmatte gam kurumga mewagutu bridge ga masekketa war board bime nagafa wati dattaken hurinam wes masekke kurang huri binta bala face out koggen masekke kuriye gendima tifarat mani ebbasefa me masekketaki dive rajye ga rasu izate rasu jumhuriya mal sarahadduga dirul ule farattaka dimafa tojjum ga masala hallu kuruma devva khasa samalkamge war board ramze rais dr moiz ge sarukar ki rajye ge huriya sarahadde ge taragge iskande sarukare ehin namwes greater mal sarahadde ki komme aharkwes eta sateka aila hijra kura sarahadda ka bomaeko mi sarahadduga dirul ge farattoge dirul fasehe kuruma masekke kuruma ki dr moiz war board iskandevva kame ehin kamon mi fursatuga algon mikura masaketuga rais jumhuriya devva irshadattaka adi gaatum ballawa devva hivvarattaka emanifana hituge em fumminu shukur dandawa algon duaki algon mikura masaketuga man Allah baraka labba divhe qawma adavure fahim adama dekkum assalamu alaikum
शुक्रिया मिनिस्टर मैं हिसाब में शरफ रस्मियात निमुनी मे रस्मियात का बैर वडान वेती दिया एम हाँ बेफना और खास शुक्रिया तनवा शुक्रिया
ವೈಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮತಿಂದಾ ಬೋಟ್ ಗೆನವುಮುಗೆ ಮಸಕೆ ದಿವಿಹಿ ಕೌಮಿ ಏರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೌಡು ಗೆನು ಫಶ